Good morning everyone. This is Rishita studying in Good Shepherd English Medium School in 9th class G section. We know that we are currently facing a disease pandemic that is known as COVID-19 or coronavirus disease. This disease attacks the human air. Many people have died due to lack of medical facilities. One of such medical facilities which is used to treat the patients of corona is ventilators. Due to this COVID-19, the need of ventilators is very high globally. Not only for the patients of COVID-19, it was also used before the COVID-19 for the patients of influenza and other respiratory problems. Why the use of ventilators is becoming very high? What is the use of ventilators? Ventilators helps to strengthen the work of respiratory muscles and it helps to pump the air into the lungs. So due to the ventilators, the patients can be saved easily. That is why they are becoming very high globally and many people are dying due to lack of ventilators. By seeing all these situations, I came up with a project Smart Oxygen Ventilator in which the patient is not asked to go to the hospital or consult a doctor or stand, walk or do any such things. Just the patient have to sit or sleep wherever he is and keep the finger on the sensor. By keeping the finger on the sensor, it automatically reads the heartbeat and oxygen levels in blood and it supplies the oxygen whenever it is necessary. Not always. It just supplies the oxygen whenever it is necessary. So by this we can save the life of a patient whenever it is necessary and the oxygen can be easily given to the patient. So, let me show how it works practically. This is the LCD on which the heartbeat and oxygen levels in blood appears. This is the sensor where the patient have to keep their finger. Just by keeping the finger, it shows that oxygen levels more or high. As the oxygen levels are more than 90%, it gets off and no oxygen will be supplied. If the oxygen levels are less than 90%, it gives the oxygen and helps the patient to breathe immediately and gets the relief. Then the patient can get relief and he can breathe properly and the life of a patient can be saved. I think this helps in many ways. The advantages of this are no doctor consultation or supervision is required, no need to go to hospital or no need to go in an ambulance or that. The patients gets panicked when the doctors say that they need to stay in the hospital and they may think that they have very big problems to stay in the hospital. So my system can help in that problems. And the other advantages are no doctor supervision is required and the patient can be monitored continuously whenever he gets suffocation in breathing. So whenever he thinks that he cannot breathe properly, he just puts his finger on the sensor and gets the oxygen, or if not, he can understand that his oxygen levels are enough to him and he can be in a strong position. And thus the patient can be saved. And no one supervision is required. It is no need to be the relatives or any one of them always beside the patient is not always okay. So whenever such problems arise, the relatives or anyone are not beside the patient, he can just monitor himself by this. Thank you.